Hi, last time I promised that we will look more deeply inside of our menu functionalities. So we are coming back to the topic and we will take a closer look at the catalog section. Here we have three subsections that are implemented when we set up our environment. We already checked product subsection, so we will be explaining the other two. If you didn't see our last video, please check the links in the description. Okay, let's go to our website and check the first subscription called categories. As the name suggests, we can set up the categories and their names. After that, we can arrange our products into those sections. For our example, let's create a new category. As we can see, there are three fields that we need to fill up. The first one is the general information, second is description, and the third is CEO title. Here, if we don't fill up the CEO title section, the engine will do it automatically. When we have our fields field, so let's do that. Bikes, Merida, bike. We leave our section free and we click save. As you can see, we have our category created, and right now we can choose a background image or add our CEO titles. Okay, that is all for today's video. I hope that you enjoy it. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye.